So we are in one of the thickets that surround Niagara County Community College in Sanborn, Cambria, New York. And this is a base for a sign or something other, some other structure here. And it was placed here around the time when the college was opened. If anybody knows what this used to hold, with an electrical hookup right there to boot, let me know. It's definitely from that era. And right around it are several, where now very big yew bushes, overgrown, that cover it. And out here we have more yew bushes that come around in a lineup all the way around this clearing. Now there used to be a house here, a farmhouse of one sort or another. There's some more right in there. This is toward the road right here between Cambria and Lewiston right there. And in this space where there's a lot of ivy, I mean not just poison ivy further in, but like a lot of planted ivy, which indicates there was certainly some kind of building here at some point, perhaps going with that object over there, or separate from it. In my latest wanderings, I've decided to try to see if there's anything left of the houses that used to sit around what is now Niagara County Community College campus, and explore those remnants. Certainly this tree, among others, were here, but it's hard to understand why so many yew bushes were planted here. They've obviously overgrown, but to hide what? To accommodate what? Was it the farmhouse that was here, or was there something initially built here that the campus used but doesn't anymore? You come out into this other part of the glade, and we can get a good view of the lineup of the yew bushes to the south here of everything else that we've just seen. Now, if you're a former student or faculty of Niagara County Community College, or you used to live in the area that the campus would eventually be emplaced to, let me know what you might remember of these. Was there something important over here? Again, we're talking about the western edge of the campus, closer to the corner of Saunders Settlement Road and Route 31 here, Town Line Road.